Yesterday I literally predicted, we predicted that market is going to be giving us a bullish move for the day, right? If you've not watched the analysis we did yesterday, you can actually go back to go and watch it so you'll be able to understand and confirm that our prediction was absolutely right. We predicted that New Zealand dollar JPY, right, is going to give us a bullish move, and it did exactly what we predicted it to. Now, take a look at this movement. Also, we also did this analysis for the week on our New Zealand dollar JPY, right? We also said that New Zealand dollar JPY will give us a bullish move for the week, and it did exactly what we predicted it to do. Now, let's do that to the forward time frame, guys. So this is it right here, guys. Markets rallied up, right, to form an high. Here comes the higher low, right? Market then was able to push up again to form a new higher high. This is the higher low, right? Market then push up one more time again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? Market then push up one more time again to form a new higher high. You can see that it push up to form a new higher high, thereby taking out this previous high right here, right? Now this is an higher low. This is market is currently pulling back, forming an higher low. So with such a movement, guess what? We will be expecting market to push up again to form a new higher high, thereby completely taking out this high right here. So we should be expecting market to push up further to form a new higher high, thereby completely taking out this high. So whatever you don't be doing on your New Zealand dollar JPY, you would not be going in for the buy. So a bullish move is what you should be expecting for the day on your New Zealand dollar JPY. Right now, let's roll out to the 1 hour time frame. So this is it right here. We are having a multiple rejection at this zone. This is a multiple rejection at this zone. So if you have to zoom it out, you can see the impulsive move that market did give us, right? This is a corrective phase. Market then was able to push on to form an impulsive move. Here comes what? The corrective phase. Now with this corrective phase, guess what we should be expecting? We should be expecting market to push up again to form a new high, thereby taking out this previous high. So it will be taking out this previous high, thereby forming a fully new higher high. So whatever you don't be doing on your New Zealand dollar JPY, you don't be going for the buy. So a bullish move is what we should be expecting for the day on our New Zealand dollar JPY.